back to another video. Today we are tackling packing. We are, I want to say like 8 days until moving, which is wild to think about, and I have not packed a single item. So we are going to be working on the office. There's so much everywhere. There's a bunch of PR packages that I've opened and just left them in the middle. Honestly, I've been trying to declutter and clean out the office way before we even close on this house. I'll insert some clips before I actually start, just to show you guys that I did indeed start decluttering. It just never got to fully finishing because it's so overwhelming. There's so much that piled up, especially during the wedding, then coming back from the wedding, then house hunting, and then just like feeling that I wasn't going to really use the office anymore since I'm going to be moving. But anyways, we are wasting time, so I'm going to start decluttering finally and truly packing. All right, so this is what the office is currently looking like. Still a hot mess. But I'm going to be basically packing everything that is not the label, all of these little cubbies inside as well. Behind this mirror, there's also more yarn. There's some yarn in here. I'm going to divide it in a few parts just so that it's easier in my brain. So let's begin with yarn.
Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up?
I ended up making 5 boxes. I have one inside, so let's get to packing.
I just see her face wherever I look, she's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
So update, this shelf is clear. The one behind this mirror is clear. The one back there is also clear. And then I cleared the cubby shelving unit situation. So everything is in the boxes as you see. This one is also clear. Obviously not this, but up there is clear. And then in here is clear. So we're making progress, but it definitely still feels messy. I'm going to start tackling this now. And let me just quickly show you the reality, just so you can get a reference. There's literally so many boxes made. So let's get to packing. What you gonna do? So take it, kiddo. You know what they say?
어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs 차가운 바람 그득하니 앉아 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 더 꺼내야 하나 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀 But when you feel like giving up remember keep walking your way don't look back 너만의 길이야 even when you fall
Alright, so we came to the storage unit to pack all of this yarn as well as basically get this organized and prepped for the movers. So let's get
I'm not one of those who easily can open up and let somebody close. No, I'm not one of those who is the center of attention. I'm not one of those. No. Some people might say I am afraid, but I just do things my own way. I don't know why, 'cause I don't like people pleasing. And sometimes they don't see what defines me, but I don't need them honestly, 'cause I got you. Everybody else makes me feel small and dark and lost, but you're not like everybody else at all. You're the only one who makes me talk and walk so tall, 'cause you're not like everybody else at all. You're everything everyone else is not. You're not one of those who judge before they know somebody. I just feel at home. Yeah, yeah. You like to take things slow, never stressing anybody. That's just how I roll. Yeah. Some people might say I am afraid, but I just do things my own way. I don't know why, 'cause I don't like people pleasing. And sometimes they don't see what defines me, but I don't need them honestly, 'cause I got you. Everybody else makes me feel small and dark and lost, but you're not like everybody else at all. You're the only one who makes me talk and walk so tall, 'cause you're not like everybody else at all. You're everything everyone else is not. You're everything everyone else is not. You're everything everyone else is like a stone in a well. No one can find me here, pretending